had about 5 minutes walk, and then we saw something interesting on the Google Maps, say that the Godzilla statue. It's very small. Okay lah.
Shit.
Yeah, we are going to the palace now. Yeah, let's go. Now we are going to the palace tour. It's free for 300 guests.
Yes.
Per sessions.
Yeah, so there are 2 sessions. One morning session, which starts at I think around 9 plus.
Yeah, and at 11:45 something.
Yeah, and then second session starts in the afternoon at 1.
Yeah. So check out the queue. Let's go. Very nice. We are going for a screening.
Karate screening.
为2.2公里，参观时间为1个小时15分钟左右。
Actually, this area was quite close to a bay, and many rivers were running through the city, which made Edo a perfect hub for distribution of goods. You will notice the residential building on your right.
Very nice, right?
Yes.
Okay, to the left of the building, the palace Kyuden, you will find the garden. It's called Nante, it means South Garden or courtyard. Stone bridge of the main gate. And it was originally wooden bridge and replaced to stone bridge in 1887. This large building facing to the courtyard is the Kyuden, the Imperial Palace. During the Tokugawa shogunate, this area was known as Nishinomaru or Western Compound, served as the living headquarters for retired shogun and their family. Right? And in 1868, when the regime changed, the emperor moved here from Kyoto, and since then, the former Edo castle has been home to Japan's emperors. In 1888, the wooden Meiji Kyuden was completed here. This is the original Meiji Kyuden. And in front of the building, there are so many gravel gardens. After taking pictures, please follow me. Within the entrance is the Kichojo, kind of reception area. It is where the Prime Minister and other officers record their name to pay respect to their majesties when after returning from the overseas visits. These are black pine trees, the very basic motif of the lighting tower in front of the Kyuden. This street is open to public just twice a year. The best season to see the cherry blossoms and autumn leaves. Unfortunately, it's too late for cherry blossoms and a little bit early to see the autumn leaves. And you will notice a white wall building over there. Actually, it stands on the East Garden. Higashigoen, Palace's East Garden. So if you have time, you can walk inside of the East Palace Garden. And 5 meters wide. And large big flower, lotus flower, covers the surface of the early summer.
Bye-bye.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
End of the tour is about an hour plus. It's less than 2 hours, and I enjoy it a lot. I love it. It's like you can see so many things, so many surprises. They have a farm inside to do the silk, the paddy field, and the iron bridge is amazing. I like it.
I want to give everybody a little tip. just choose whichever tour that has got the least people.
Yes.
Because you have a mobile app for you to actually
Read up about the buildings, about the place.
buildings.
Yeah.
So it's not necessary to
follow.
listen to the guide.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think just follow the group with the least people.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye. Oh, what is that? The black swan? Oh, the fish.